Hello, and welcome to celiac.com news. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest celiac disease and gluten-free diet news. And if you have any questions, be sure to join the celiac.com forum online at celiac.com. And now, let's move on to the latest celiac.com news. Gluten-free meal prep. 7 easy batch recipes for busy weekdays. For people living with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, meal planning is more than a lifestyle trend. It's a necessity. Avoiding gluten requires constant vigilance, from checking labels to preparing safe food at home. Yet busy schedules often leave little time to cook from scratch every day. That's why gluten-free meal prep is such a valuable strategy. By preparing meals in advance, individuals save time, lower stress, and protect themselves from hidden gluten exposure. Batch cooking, where larger portions are made ahead and divided into weekly servings, ensures there's always something safe and ready to eat. Meal prep matters for more than just convenience. Unlike trend-based gluten-free eating, people with celiac disease face serious health risks from even small traces of gluten. Preparing meals at home reduces reliance on restaurants and packaged foods, both common sources of cross-contamination. It also lessens decision fatigue, knowing there are pre-cooked, portioned meals in the fridge makes it easier to stick to a balanced, gluten-free diet without extra effort. 7 easy recipes work especially well for batch cooking. Quinoa and roasted vegetable bowls provide a hearty, protein-rich base that can be paired with a lemon tahini dressing. A big pot of gluten-free chicken and rice soup delivers warming, nourishing portions that freeze well. Sweet potato and black bean chili is a filling plant-based dish that gets better with time and stores beautifully. Egg muffins with vegetables are perfect for busy mornings, offering a quick protein boost straight from the fridge. Gluten-free turkey meatballs can be frozen in batches and served with pasta, zucchini noodles, or vegetables. Lentil and spinach curry is hearty, budget-friendly, and ideal with rice or gluten-free flatbreads. And homemade gluten-free oat energy bars provide safe, portable snacks without the risk of hidden gluten. To succeed with gluten-free meal prep, label all containers with contents and dates. Use separate cutting boards and utensils to avoid cross-contamination, and rely on freezer-safe containers for anything not eaten within a few days. Planning a variety of meals prevents boredom, and double-checking packaged ingredients for gluten-free certification ensures safety. For people with celiac disease, meal prep is not just about convenience. It's about health and peace of mind. Preparing meals ahead reduces the chance of accidental gluten exposure, which can cause long-term intestinal damage even without immediate symptoms. It also cuts down reliance on processed foods that may contain hidden gluten. Just as importantly, it eases the emotional burden many feel when eating outside the home, allowing them to participate in daily life with confidence. In the end, gluten-free meal prep bridges the gap between strict dietary needs and modern, busy lifestyles. With only a few hours of cooking each week, people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity can enjoy safe, nutritious meals without constant worry. These 7 batch-friendly recipes show that safe eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. It can be empowering, practical, and delicious. To get the latest celiac disease news and information, be sure to subscribe to celiac.com news. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.